Creating unique woodworking projects for custom gifts offers a remarkable opportunity to blend craftsmanship with personal expression, resulting in items that not only serve a functional purpose, but also carry emotional significance. The aesthetic appeal of woodworking lies in the innate beauty of natural materials and the artistry involved in transforming raw wood into thoughtful, handcrafted pieces. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or a simple gesture of appreciation, a custom wooden gift can leave a lasting impression, showcasing both the giver's creativity and the recipient's individuality. Hello there, welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, we will show you a collection of unique woodworking projects ideas for custom gifts, easy and impressive. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The process of selecting wood for a gift is an essential step that sets the tone for the entire project. Different types of wood possess distinct characteristics that can significantly influence the final outcome. For example, the rich hues of walnut convey sophistication, while the lighter tones of maple or birch evoke a sense of warmth and simplicity. The grain patterns, texture, and color variations in wood add depth and interest to any project, allowing the creator to choose materials that resonate with the recipient's personality or match their home decor. This thoughtful selection process enhances the gift's aesthetic appeal, making it more than a mere object, but a piece of art that reflects the recipient's style. As you embark on crafting a unique woodworking project, the design is where creativity truly shines. Custom gifts can take many forms, ranging from functional items like cutting boards and coasters to decorative pieces like wall art or personalized photo frames. The possibilities are virtually endless, limited only by your imagination. The beauty of woodworking is in its versatility. You can create pieces that are both beautiful and practical, ensuring that your gift is not only visually appealing but also useful in everyday life. Consider the impact of personalization on the aesthetic value of a woodworking project. Incorporating names, dates, or special messages can transform a simple item into a cherished keepsake. Engraving or burning details into the wood not only enhances its visual appeal but also adds layers of meaning. For instance, a custom engraved cutting board can become a family heirloom, serving as both a functional kitchen tool and a reminder of shared moments around the dinner table. This dual purpose elevates the gift beyond the ordinary, making it a lasting treasure. Moreover, the act of creating a custom gift through woodworking fosters a deeper connection between the giver and the recipient. Each piece is imbued with thoughtfulness and care, reflecting the time and effort invested in its creation. This personal touch resonates on a profound level as the recipient understands that the gift was made specifically for them. In a world saturated with mass-produced items, a handcrafted wooden gift stands out, symbolizing the value of human connection and the importance of meaningful gestures. The aesthetic appeal of unique woodworking projects is further enhanced by the finishing touches you apply. The way wood is sanded, stained, or treated can dramatically alter its appearance. A smooth, polished finish can highlight the wood's natural beauty, while a rustic, weathered look can evoke a sense of nostalgia. Finishing techniques not only protect the wood but also add character, allowing the creator to tailor the piece to suit the recipient's taste. Experimenting with different finishes can lead to stunning results, turning an ordinary project into a striking work of art. Are you enjoying this video? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to traditional techniques, modern woodworking allows for the incorporation of mixed materials, further enhancing the aesthetic appeal of custom gifts. Combining wood with elements like metal, glass, or resin can create visually stunning contrasts and textures. For example, a wooden jewelry box adorned with metal accents can elevate its design, making it a unique piece that catches the eye. This fusion of materials opens up a realm of creative possibilities, allowing woodworkers to push the boundaries of conventional designs and create truly one-of-a-kind gifts. The journey of crafting unique woodworking projects is not solely about the end product. It also serves as a therapeutic and enriching experience. The act of working with one's hands, shaping and refining wood, can be meditative, providing a sense of fulfillment that transcends the final piece. This mindfulness is reflected in the quality of the work produced. As you focus on the details and embrace the process, the resulting gift embodies not just your skill but also your passion and dedication, making it even more special. As you consider the aesthetic appeal of creating custom woodworking gifts, it's essential to recognize the joy that these pieces can bring to others. The act of giving a handcrafted item is an expression of love, appreciation, and thoughtfulness. When a recipient receives a unique wooden gift, they often feel a sense of connection not only to the creator, but also to the craftsmanship involved. This emotional resonance enhances the overall experience, making the gift memorable and cherished. Furthermore, custom woodworking projects can serve as a bridge between generations. A beautifully crafted piece can become a family heirloom, passed down through the years, carrying with it stories and memories. When a child receives a wooden toy or a personalized keepsake box, it can spark a sense of nostalgia and connection to family history. These gifts become markers of time, reminding recipients of their roots and the love that has been shared within their families. In the realm of modern design, the aesthetic appeal of woodworking projects also aligns with the growing trend of sustainability. By using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, woodworkers contribute to environmentally friendly practices, promoting a sense of responsibility and awareness. Custom gifts created from such materials carry a narrative of sustainability, appealing to eco-conscious recipients who appreciate the thoughtfulness behind their gift. The final aspect to consider is the community that often forms around woodworking. Many woodworkers find joy in sharing their creations, whether through social media, local craft fairs, or woodworking clubs. This sense of community fosters collaboration and inspiration, allowing creators to learn from one another and expand their skills. When people share their woodworking projects, it not only showcases their talent, but also encourages others to explore their creativity. The aesthetic appeal of unique woodworking gifts becomes a collective celebration of craftsmanship and artistry, bringing together individuals who appreciate the beauty of handmade items. In conclusion, the aesthetic appeal of creating unique woodworking projects for custom gifts lies in their ability to blend functionality with artistry. These handcrafted items not only serve practical purposes, but also carry deep emotional significance, reflecting the care and thoughtfulness of the creator. The use of natural materials, personalized designs, and finishing techniques enhances their beauty, making them cherished pieces that resonate with recipients. By engaging in woodworking, individuals not only express their creativity, but also foster connections, create lasting memories, and contribute to a culture of sustainability. Ultimately, the journey of crafting custom wooden gifts is as rewarding as the final product, enriching both the creators' and the recipients' lives in meaningful ways. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique woodworking projects ideas for custom gifts. Easy and impressive. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.